Hi, my name is Travis Pflanz with WebWorks of Kansas City. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do a 301 permanent redirection in your htaccess file in your cPanel hosting system. So, most likely you're at this video because you read our blog post about creating a Google My Business review link that's pre-filled with 5 stars so you can give that to customers and get your review much quicker. But this method will work for any type of redirection you need. So you can go back and read that blog post at webworksofkc.com/5stars and find out what we're talking about if you're here just to learn about a redirection. So if after you followed the steps that we've outlined in our blog post here, I'm not going to go through the entire blog post because it's there for you to read. So we're going to get into our cPanel hosting system, and now I understand not everybody is going to have a web host that uses cPanel. So if your web host doesn't use cPanel, just get in contact with your hosting provider and tell them you need to get access to your htaccess file, and the same process will work after there. So we're going to get to our cPanel by simply going to our website, .com or .net or .org, whatever yours is, and we're going to type /cpanel. Very simply. And we're going to go there. And now we're going to log in with your username and your password. And it's going to take us right into our cPanel dashboard. Now yours may look a little different than this because there are different skins or templates. But you want to look for the file manager. Now we're going to go into the file manager, and it's going to take us right to the root of our entire hosting. So we're going to go down to public HTML, because that's where all of our files are located. And next, we're going to go to the htaccess file. However, I do want to point out that if you've never accessed a dot file or a hidden file, these are by default hidden. So you'll want to go up to your settings, and you'll want to select Show Hidden Files. So that will allow you to actually see the htaccess file. Now we're going to right-click on this file, click Edit. We're going to say, okay, we still want to edit it. And now I've got all this other stuff from different redirections and blocking, etc. with my website. I'm just going to scroll down and find a good spot to put this redirection. I will just find, oh, there's a lot here. Okay, so I'm just going to put it here. And as you can see, I already have some other redirections set up for other things. But it's going to be very simple. So we're going to type redirect. And we're going to 301 that tells it that it's a permanent redirection. Now we want to use, for our case at WebWorks of KC, we do webworksofkc.com/review, and that automatically forwards the user to our Google review box that's pre-filled with 5 stars. So we're going to say, and you could choose whatever you want, if you want to say testimonial or leave us a review, whatever you would like. But I'm just going to say /review, because that is the link that people are going to be entering. Now we're going to enter the big long link that you got in your whenever you went through our process to create your pre-filled 5-star review box link. I'm just going to go back to the blog post where I've already got mine there, so I'm not doing the whole thing again. And so you're just going to copy that and come back into your htaccess file and hit paste. So basically what this looks like here is we're doing a redirect from /review to the big long link that will open your review box that's already pre-filled with 5 stars. So after you've entered that, just go ahead and click Save, and it will update it on your server and all that stuff for you already. Now let's open a new tab, and I'm going to test it out. webworksofkc.com/review. Let's click it, and as we can see, it takes us, and then now our 5-star review box is already popped open, ready for us to leave a review. Now do remember that your customer, your client must be logged into Google with their account. If they're not, it'll just say please log in, etc. So that's how you do it. It's super simple. Just make sure that you have your cPanel login information, or you've checked with your web host to make sure you know how to get access to your htaccess file. And it's just really one line of code. So that's how you do it. But I did tell you that I'd give you a special bonus. So another little tip here of something that we like to do at WebWorks of Kansas City, and I've already got this created here. Scroll down here even further, and we have a redirection from our testimonials to actually go to, or actually we did the same thing here, either reviews or testimonials, that will go to the all testimonials box or all reviews box on the Google search. So when somebody types in your name, if they look over here in your little knowledge graph, they're going to be able to see the option to view all of your Google reviews. So if you click on that, this will open up and this will show all of your Google reviews. And now you can just copy that link here at the top. And in your .htaccess file, you can simply type in redirect 301 and then write reviews or testimonials and then paste that link. So then you can, instead of going to a reviews page on your website, for example, you can send them to all of your Google reviews. I personally and professionally like this method because Google is not yours. You don't own it. So people can see, hey, these are real reviews that people have written. They're not just, cherry-picked reviews that you've put about your own business on your website. So that's how to create a redirection in your .htaccess file. If you have a different web host that doesn't use cPanel and you're having a hard time finding out how to get access to your .htaccess file, or if you have any questions about this video, just leave a comment or question down below in the comments section and I'll be sure to reply to you. Also, I will be releasing some more videos with small business tips, so feel free to subscribe to WebWorks of KC on YouTube. Thank you. Have a good day.